Hi, what's up? How's it going? Today's video we are going to be looking at how to design Jotter creatively in CorelDraw S7. So without further ado, let's step on it. So this is the two images that we are going to work on and the test. So right now let's step on it. Go ahead to this place and change the page to A5. Then you head over to your rectangle to double click, automatically snap into the page. Can you see that accurately? Snap right in there. So what we're gonna be doing is to bring out the text, and let's head over and create a background wisely. So go ahead to color eyedropper to sample this dark color right here, point on the background. There you have this. Then make a copy of this background. So what we're going to be doing now is to blend this background. So head over to transparency tool, then you blend from the top. There you have this. Then convert to bitmap. It's okay. Good. I'll clip that into place. Right drag. Let me show you how to Powerclip. Go ahead, then locate Powerclip, then hit on place inside frame. Then you see an indication of an arrow shows up. Then you click on the object you want to Powerclip into. You can see automatically it Powerclipped. So right now, hold Alt key, select the image. By holding on Alt key on your keyboard, that allow you to have access to the image in the clipped objects. So right now, release your Alt key, then adjust the image perfectly, just like so. Let's reduce it to fit it in the way you want it. So right now, what we're gonna be doing is to Powerclip the image of the man, convert it to bitmap at first. That's the rule. It's okay. Then Powerclip, I drag it on top of the object. Release your mouse. It leaves you with options to choose. Then you choose Powerclip. That's the second way to Powerclip. So hold Alt key, select the image, then adjust just like so. So right now we are going to perform magic right here. So what we're going to be doing is to go ahead to your ellipse to create perfect image just like so. Then let's change it to blue. So right now what we're going to do is set the outline to none by right clicking on this place. So convert it to bitmap, then you go ahead to your locate Gaussian blur, or let's go to creative. Let's hit on fignet. That's create an effect just like so. Good. Can you see that? It's okay. So right now what we're gonna be doing is to head over to your transparency tool, then go over to display to change the blending mode to screen. So after all of that, what we're gonna be doing is to make it bigger, then make a copy inward just like so, make a copy. So what we're gonna be doing is to select the whole thing, then group it all up, Powerclip that into place, then hold Alt key, select the objects, center back. There you have this. So right now what we're gonna be doing is to make the picture a little bit smaller. Then you bring all the text, then let's change the text to this. You know what we needed to save design? Hit Ctrl S on keyboard, then you type Rev Bennett, then you hit on save. There you have that. So what we're going to be doing now is to head over and hit Ctrl K to break all the text into pieces. Then let's bring down the whole of this, change it to white. Then you hit Ctrl K on your keyboard to break it into pieces. Then let's bold this man's name. Then go ahead to your shape tool, do the tracking. Let's make it bigger. Then his name, his picture a bit, upward. So what we're gonna be doing is to just set locate your interactive field tool, then drag on the text, double click right here, then make that gray, pull that down a little bit. Good. So right now set the outline to white, then hit on F12, go ahead and make the outline 1. It's okay. It's okay. So right now what you're gonna be doing is to drag that on top of the rest of the name, copy our properties, then let's reduce this to 11. That's too small, make it a bit bigger. Good. It's on F12. Then let's make it 1 point, the outline. So there you have this. So right now what we're gonna be doing next is to just go ahead and click on ellipse tool, then draw a perfect circle right there. So what we are going to be doing now is to just give this gold color, then go ahead to your what's it called, interactive field tool, drag on that, then change the bottom to something like this. There you have that. So our next step right now is to make a copy inward just like so. Then you go ahead and apply white to that, blend it with your what's it called, interactive field tool, transparency tool rather. So click on that, then you drag on the white circle, so set the outline to none right there. There you have that. Then you group, Ctrl G, send to back, Ctrl page down on your keyboard, then you have it to the back. So right now what you're going to be doing is to just position the ref on top of the circle right there. Then let's reduce the circle a bit, so bold in the ref, then make the circle bigger a bit. So there you have that. So what we're going to be doing now is to just position this right beneath the whole name. Good. Let's position the date right here, enter right from here, then enter right from here, then enter right there. Let's bold in that. Select your shape tool, close the tracking just like so, then you go ahead and position it right down. Hit Ctrl K to break the text into pieces so that I can select it individually, bolding that line. So right now what you're going to be doing is to create a line right here, then you set that line to white, hit on F12 on your keyboard, the dialog box pops up, then you choose the thickness of the line. Right now let's make it a dotted line. It's okay. There you have that. Good. So let's select the whole thing right here. let's reduce it a bit. That's too big. So what we're gonna be doing is to group everything together. Then you go ahead to your shadow tool, give it shadow right there. Go ahead and make it 90. There you have that. Go ahead to your object, look at break drop shadow apart, automatically it breaks. Then you go ahead to the top test. So right now this is where we have to be very creative on. You just have to be creative on everything you're doing, but it doesn't have to be too much. So right now let's head over and change this to hello Paris. Good. Let's make this bigger, set the color to white. Then let's go ahead and just work on this. So in this case we are going to just make the whole thing. So let's leave it as that though. So let's change it to Naija. It's okay right here, enter right from here as well. So what we're gonna be doing is to just give it right alignment, position it upward, give it white color. Good. Position it upward. So let's position this a bit to the side. There you have that. So good. Bring this up a little bit. Good. So right now go ahead and make this let's use Edward fonts. Edward. Good. Make it black. Good. So right now what we're gonna be doing is to just give this a close space out spacing, just like so. Reduce the tracking, then position it downward a bit. There you have that. So right now let's point your mouse to the tip of the object, then you hold Ctrl key, slant it to the other side, then you right click when you get to the side. There you have this. So what we're going to be doing now is to change this to a grayscale bitmap. Make a copy, delete this at first, then extract this, then delete the background. So what we're going to be doing is to change this to grayscale, convert it to grayscale. There you have that. Good. So let's blend it up right from the bottom, then delete this. So what we're going to be doing is just position this right close, then go ahead to your what's it called, interactive view tool. Let's blend, let's convert it to bitmap first, then you go ahead again, hit on uniform transparency, lengthen it all up. Good. There you have that. So let's Powerclip this into place, hold out key, select the image to fit into the shape. So right now you can see the outcome of what's created so far. This is the front of the Jotter, this is the back of the Jotter. So here we come to the end tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking that button below, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that like button so that other people can benefit from what we have shared so far. As I always say in my channel, see you in the next video. Bye for now.